Happy New Year, loves, and welcome back to Diva Decorating. Okay, so today I'm coming with you with a bar cart and how I style mine. And just to give you a good shot of it first, sorry about that light coming through the window. I'm going to try to close the blinds here. And then we'll get started. Okay, that's a little better. Okay. The light in here, as I said in my other video, is not the best, so just bear with me, please. I hope you can see everything. Okay, so 2019, yes, it's here. Let's go. Let's do great things in 2019. Let's do better than we did in 2018. Okay, I'm gonna start telling you where I got everything from. I'm gonna start right here with this "Home is where the wine is" little plaque that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I thought it was just perfect for this area since this is my wine cart. And just above it, I just have a little wine glass that I actually had on one of my phone cases. And the phone case wasn't any good anymore, so I threw it away. And I decided to save the little decoration that they had on it. And I thought that was so cute. And I just have that sitting up there. Try to straighten that out a little bit without knocking it down. There we go. And above it right here, this is just a wall decoration that I think I picked up from Home Depot a while back. And I just have my clock right there that has the wrong time that I need to set. And there's another one of those decorations up there. And it was, I believe, a copper color. And I spray painted it to go along with my decor. And also this clock too, it has been spray painted. It was gold, and I got tired of the gold because I've had it for many years, so I spray painted that black as well. And right beside it here is a DIY little cover that I made around, you know, my security system, because it was the space back there. Someone had pulled the, I don't know, the covering that was around there off, and I couldn't match up the paint exactly. And I just decided to make something just to camouflage that. And right here is just a blue orb that I had from Walmart. And it didn't match my decor anymore. And so I just glittered it and made it out of a little glitter ball. It's sitting on top of some candles that I purchased from Walmart. And I got this Chanel emerald off of my laptop that I printed out. And I like decoupaged it on there. And that's how that turned out. And I just added some little bling rhinestones, one at the top, one at the bottom. And this right here is an old lamp that I had purchased during a yard sale. And let me move this out the way. And it was old, and I decided to spruce it up, and I just glittered it, add some bling wrap, and up under it is spray painted silver, and I mirrored it And that's how it turned out. And believe me, the camera is not doing this justice. This sparkles so much. And I have the same setup on the other side to help balance the bar out. And that's what that looks like. Same setup. I like to balance one side out with the other. It makes it look more cohesive to me. And right beside it, I have my water fountain that I purchased off of Amazon. And it's a tea light and water fountain. And these are some, I know you've seen these in Dollar Tree. They're the little gems that they have, which this did not come with the gems. This came with stones. And I switched them out because I thought this looked so much like ice. And I thought that was a pretty, pretty look. And I have my water fountain by my entryway right here as you come in because in Feng Shui, they believe that if you put running water by your doorway, it brings in good luck with the flowing water. And I always keep a water fountain by my entryway. And next to the water fountain is where I have the wine set up at on my tray that I already had. That's been in my family. It's a silver tray. And on it, I just have some ornaments, silver ornaments. And I love using these crystal drawer pulls. And I have one over here, same setup on this side. And then I have my lights here, which these came from Walmart. And behind there, I have my wine bottle that's been in my family for years, and it was inherited to me. And the top was so ugly looking, so I just wrapped some aluminum foil around there, and I made a bottle, fur bottle cover for it, and tied some black ribbon around it. And I have my little sparkly here, which is nothing but like a brooch, a clip-on. And it sparkles so pretty. I like that. And I have one also on the other side. I don't have the same little clip on because I only had the one. So I decided to put this, something that I already had, to put on there till I can find something else I want. And in the middle of this, I have my straw holder, which is, oh, okay, I'm about to knock that down. Hold on, guys. I have so much on this bar cart. I really need to slim down on what I have on here. But I like the look of everything, so it's okay for me. This is something that I already had. I don't even know what you call it, but I use it to hold my straws in. And I just blinged it up by adding some silver beads, and I spray painted it silver. And the little wine bottles, they came from Bath and Body Works. It was a plug-in, and I took it off of there, and I thought this would be perfect for the wine area. And if I want to take it off, it's easy. It can just come right off, and I can put it back on my little air freshener that I have. And on either side, I just have my waters right there. And I have my bell here that says ring for wine. And that's from the Dollar Tree also. And I'm hiding my little battery pack back here so it's easy, accessible to cut it on and cut it off. And next to that, I have my little lava lamp here that I've had for years. And as I said, I have the same setup over there. And I have my champagne glasses right here that I DIY'd and added some glitter to the bottom of them. And I have my champagne sitting in there for a nice cool drink. And it's just for decoration. And next to that, I have my martini glass here that I purchased from Home Good that I keep my candies in. And in front of that, I have my jar that holds my nuts. And this is just a little DIY ribbon that I put on the top of it. And it's sitting on a DIY coaster that I made. I have a set of, actually I have a set of 8. And the other set is a different style. It has just the silver bling and not the gold all on it. And these, I just used some glass mosaics that I purchased offline. And they're glued down. And that's what this sits on. And these are my little martini glasses from the Dollar Tree. I want to show you on the side over here. That's why I said this is a kitchen cart that I took and made out of a bar cart. Because I have no room in my kitchen. I have an island already, so there is no room to put this pretty big kitchen cart. So I decided to use it in my living room. And that's just a little DIY that of a martini glass that I got the picture off of my laptop, and then I just took a piece of cardboard and I glittered it, so I have my little martini glass on the side. And this would usually where your knives and stuff would go if you was using it as a bar cart, as a kitchen cart. And I just keep my little fan in here, guys. Let me show you. It just has a little opening, and I need somewhere to kind of like keep my fan close to me, and I like to keep it hidden, so I thought that was a nice little space for me to keep it in. And I just have some black napkins on here. So if you're getting any kind of candy or cookies or what have you, any kind of snack, you can grab one of the napkins, or you need it for your drink. And this is my candy dish. I keep this up here every day. I try to keep it full, but my family loves candy. Hubby especially, he'll eat all the candy. So I have to try to keep this full, and that's a hard job to do. And here I just have my little Reese cups and my little Rosso Stovers, and these little wrapped tinfoil are some chocolate cherries that I made. And I made them for Christmas, I believe, and I still got a couple left in there. But they were delicious. Turned out great. And I just have them sitting into this Dollar Tree silver bowl that came out of the party center at Dollar Tree. And right here, this is my wine, sorry guys. This is my ice bucket that holds my champagne bottle. And I just have my little clippers here that I use to get the ice with. And my little bottle topper there. And this is from the Dollar Tree as well. You can find great things at the Dollar Tree. Very affordable, and they're nice, and you can bling them up if you want to, or you can use them as they is. I love finding things at the Dollar Tree. And here is another martini glass that I use to keep candy in, which this is leftover Christmas candy, some kind of chocolate balls. And right here is another one of the DIY coasters. And everything is sitting on mirrors that I had purchased from the Dollar Tree. I mirrored the whole top. Actually, I want to mirror the whole bar. I want to do the drawers and the doors, the sides. I want to do the whole thing. And so that's a project that's coming up for me to do. And on here, I just have this boa that I purchased also from the Dollar Tree. Very festive, that I had for New Year's. And I just keeping it on there. I'll probably keep it on there all month. And I believe, well, I'm going to tell you about what's in the drawers. It's not very organized, so I'm only going to show you a couple of things in here. This is where I keep my napkins and my napkin rings and little things like that. I have some bells in here. I have my drawer pulls. It's not supposed to be in here, but yeah, that's where I keep it. For all occasions, I have napkins in there. And this side is not supposed to have Christmas cards in it, but it does. I keep my little sticks in there. It's my little DIY coasters, my other set. And these are some napkins, the ones I just used for Christmas. And these are my tongs for the ice and my wine bottle cork. Keep that there. And down here is where I keep my glasses, which is very full. I need more space for that. I keep all my glassware in there. And this side as well, it is full. I actually need to organize it better. It's just where I keep a couple of things that some things don't even belong in there. I don't have a lot of space here though. It's a lot of storage is very hard to find here, so you have to put things where you can. And there I just have my little bottles and different things in there as well. So that is my bar setup. Sorry again for that light. But if I did this at night, it would be even worse. So this is probably about the best light I'm going to get. I think I remembered everything on here. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to share. And tap that bell so you'll get notified every time I upload a video. Okay, in my next video, guys, I'm going to try to do some room tours, and I will be doing DIYs. So please stay tuned for those. Thanks for stopping by, y'all. Bye.